Malaysia is being overwhelmed by massive tropical rainstorms and devastating floods. The worst situation right now is in Kuala Lumpur and the huge Klang Valley urban area, home to millions of people. The hardest-hit locations include Ampang, Sungai Besi, Petaling Jaya, Shah Alam, Klang, Gambak, Beta Caves, Sri Petaling, Sedia Alam, Meru, Jalan Kushai Lama, Jalan Klang Lama, Desa Tun Razak, Taman Maidan, PJS 2, 4 and 6, as well as Section 7 and Section 13 in Shah Alam. Roads, tunnels, parking areas, shopping districts, and residential neighborhoods were flooded within just hours after non-stop heavy rain. Traffic chaos has erupted across the region. Dozens of vehicles became trapped in floodwaters. Some cars were almost completely submerged, and people abandoned their vehicles directly on highways. One of the most critical situations developed on Jalan Kushai Lama and inside the Kuala Lumpur Serimban Expressway Tunnel, where emergency teams had to rescue stranded drivers. In several districts, powerful storms also caused trees to collapse onto roads, completely blocking traffic. Residents in Ampang and Meru are posting dramatic footage showing streets transformed into rivers with cars literally floating in the current. Authorities report severe transportation disruptions, enormous traffic jams, and growing risks of additional flash floods. Malaysia's meteorological agency, Met Malaysia, has issued emergency weather alerts for multiple states including Selangor, Johor, Kelantan, Terengganu, Pahang, Perak, Kedah, Penang, Melaka, Sabah, and Sarawak. Experts say the disaster is being driven by extreme monsoon rains, overloaded drainage systems, and worsening climate change. The Klang River flowing through Kuala Lumpur has once again reached dangerous levels, while some parts of the capital region are practically paralyzed. Subscribe to Planet Pools right now. Hit the like button and leave your thoughts in the comments.